Yeah, it's not a wolf, it's a... I don't know, a mummy, like, sphinx thing. It does kind of look like a wolf, doesn't it?
Look, what is this?
It's just like a decoration.
Another thing.
Hey, I'm trying, thank you. Your head was in the way. I'm trying to get him licking the floor like he does. Nope.
Can I use my phone?
Yeah. Hey. Nice.
Kane's trying to...
That wasn't very nice, brother.
What?
That wasn't very nice. He wants the bucket.